Hello everyone, today I am here to review this guest paper of Vinod Publications. Its name is Education in Contemporary India. It's fully solved guest paper. It's a B.Ed semester 1 Punjab University Punjabi medium guest paper. So let's have a review on this. It's a 100% sure success guest paper as per the new syllabus of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted educational publishing firm of India. So let's have a quick review. New syllabus is mentioned as prescribed by Punjab University Chandigarh. Semester 1 is given Indian Constitution and Education, Constitutional Provisions, Preamble, Meaning of Diversity, Inequality, Impact of Liberalization, Privatization, Globalization, completely given. Unit 2, select the syllabus. Post-independence era, university education, then national policy of education, national curriculum framework, then unit 3, major initiatives in Indian education, यशपाल कमेटी रिजोर्ट, राष्ट्रीय माध्यमिक शिक्षा, राष्ट्रीय उच्च शिक्षा अभियान, then unit 4, emerging issues in Indian education, contemporary Indian schools, सर्व शिक्षा अभियान, and right of children to free and compulsory education act 2009. So syllabus is mentioned and syllabus is mentioned in both English and Punjabi language to make it comfortable for both kind of readers to read it. So that if you are an English reader comfortable in English, you can also read it. If you are comfortable in Punjabi, you can also read it. And after the syllabus, you can check out the matter and content. Everything is completely given. All questions are discussed in detail. You can see so many pages are given to each particular question. Things are discussed in detail. Also, the questions are highlighted in both English and Punjabi language to make it comfortable for both kind of readers. You can still buy the book if you are easy in English language. You can still buy the book if you are easy in Punjabi language. So you can see things are very well explained, given. Important questions are also highlighted. Everything is very well given in detail. This is a very good guest paper. In the back side of the guest paper, B.Ed textbook semester 1 and B.Ed guest paper semester 1 are also given. Check them out. You can check them out and buy them also. 5-in-1 guide is also given. 5-in-1 textbook semester 1 is also given. Check them out. You can check them out. So price of this guest paper is just ₹99 only, which is very good, very reasonable, very less price for this amazing kind of guest paper. It's available from Flipkart and Amazon also, or you can call directly at 9218-219218, and this guest paper will be delivered to you within just 3-4 days only. You can go to their website at www.vinodpublications.com and check out other books and guest paper of Vinod Publications. And if you want to buy this guest paper offline from any available bookstore, you can go to any bookstore nearby your location, whichever had ETT and or B.Ed books or guest paper. You can buy that. You can go to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube of Vinod Publications and also check out other books. So buy this guest paper online on Flipkart, Amazon, or call them directly at 9218-219218, or buy it offline from any available bookstore. It's your choice. You can also email them at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com if you have any inquiry. And if you have any complaint regarding any book or guest paper, you can go to their helpline email ID at help@vinodpublications.com. So 99 rupees for this really good guest paper is a very reasonable and affordable and good price. I think you should definitely buy this guest paper. Education in Contemporary India is a very good guest paper of Vinod Publications, Punjab University Punjabi medium. I highly recommended B.Ed semester 1 guest paper of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted education publishing firm of India. So I highly recommend this guest paper. Must buy it. Thank you so much.